Plays it out to Gostisbehere. Gostisbehere being urged to shoot, but there was no lane. Now Couturier looking for Konecny. Tipped it, save, rebound up the other side. He scores! Konecny wins it for the Flyers. All's well that ends well. 6-5 your final.
And you watch Konecny here as they do a little bit of give and goes along the way. Konecny tracks it to the net and alertly wraps it around. Jonathan Bernier can't get it. Jonathan Bernier picks up the loss. And it's the only goal that he let in the game. Came in down 5-1. And Konecny sends him home with the big L. There's the original shot by Konecny on the entry. There's his hustle to retrieve it. And by keeping possession, he allows the Flyers to create something like this. And Konecny finishes off the play that he started. What a goal on a crazy afternoon here in Philadelphia.
Konecny from Gostisbehere and Couturier at 1:27 of overtime.
That's a great shot, isn't it?